What is going on, guys? Hope you guys are doing good. So it's been like a week since I've vlogged. Hope you guys are doing good. I already said that. God damn it, I'm already rusty. What is going on, guys? Hope you guys are doing good. It's been like a week since I've vlogged, so I'm excited to be back at it. We got a lot of stuff going on, especially in today's video. I'm pretty excited. But we got Jesse working on the LS, you know, and then we got Gian doing another bag install. Like, look at that setup. Sheesh. Yes, sir. Alright, so we got a special package. Shout out to MAXPEEDINGRODS again. Really appreciate you guys for real. So it's gonna be for the E36, and we're doing unboxing. I already took a little sneak peek. That's why the box is a little open, but yeah, you guys will see. So these are actually their upgraded coilovers, so I'm really excited to try them out. Just from the sneak peek, they just look way better quality, and they just look a lot better overall. The last ones, they're like orange. These are like blue, like a turquoise-ish, but they look really good. Let me take them out. And they just feel so much heavier, just really good. Yes, just take a look at that. Alright, so I got everything laid out. Everything looks really good. So we got the front coils right here, and then these are the rear shocks. Springs are right here. Then we have the collars. We also got the spanner wrenches. Alright, so they're 24-way dampening, and the front coils are 8K and the rears are 7K. So the spring rate is decent. And also you got the camber on top, adjustable. So pretty excited, man. Can't wait to throw these on. Probably not gonna throw them on today. We're probably gonna have to continue the vlog. We're running out of daylight. I don't know why we do daylight savings. It's kind of whack. It gets dark by like 4:30. But Gian's almost done with this car, so we'll have time to install the coils probably tomorrow or later this week. But yeah, I just wanted to unbox these and just show them. I'm really happy with them. They look good. I haven't been in here in forever. Feels good. Forgot about the shift knob. Sheesh. All right, let's see if the battery's still good. I hope so. Okay, good sign, good sign. Let's see. Like a champ, been sitting for a few weeks now. Let's go. What is up, guys? So we finally have some time to work on the Beamer. When I showed the coils, that was already a few days ago. I did come yesterday, but I forgot my keys. So we just cleaned up the shop a little bit. Gian got these shelves. Cleaning up the shop a lot, so. Level up. Yes, they're pretty cool. We got Jesse too. Hello. Gonna help me with this install, but we got the car jacked up. I was like, hey, wait, I haven't even picked up the camera. But yeah, so that's what we're looking like. Got the car jacked up. About to take off the wheel, they're already loosened. About to take off the wheel right now. We got the hood propped up. We have the coils right here, everything ready to go. You know what, let's do this for real. Where's your gun at? It's right here. My knees. That my boy organizing. Sheesh, okay.
Yeah, kind of got messy after the yard the other day, so.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, you already got the 17?
Yep, already got it.
217.
Ouch, yeah.
Oh, yeah, here we go. So that OEM strut's ginormous, but we're about to take it out. Hopefully it's not too hard. Alright, so this side is pretty much ready to be ripped out. Just gotta take off the top bolts. My boy about to finish up this side as well. And then the front struts will be ready to come out. Boom. Boom! Boom! That's pretty quick, bro. It's been like fucking 30 minutes.
Not even, I think. Like more. It took 30 minutes just because I was organizing my tools again.
Yeah. Also, we went to the junkyard. I got my hood hinge. I got my door handle. We tried getting the fender, but they're all messed up. So I'm just gonna buy one on eBay. Yeah, so I'm gonna start ripping out the fender lining. Not gonna need that. And it has like a gash right here. During turns, I was already rubbing, so for sure lowered. This little piece is for sure gonna be just rubbing on it, making noise. So yep, I'll make things easier. And to take off the fender, I believe you have to take off the fender lining and maybe get under the side skirt. But yeah, we'll see. But I'm gonna take out all of this, and I saw something in here pretty disturbing. I'm gonna show Jesse. Dude, that thing's bad, bro.
Compared to the coil?
Let's do a little comparison real quick. Oh, wow. Yeah.
There's the mounting points right there.
It reminds me of the classic. They look like this. But, yeah, there's a comparison. Out with the old, in with the new. There you go.
Sheesh. Hey, why don't you look like your mom? Why'd you look like me? You a different color. We're going around this town now.
Nope, almost.
It's this shit.
There you go. Oh. Yes, sir. Oh no. Whew. Almost dropped it. Alright, Jesse's getting that coil in there. And on this side, the fender lining is out. And so this is what I was talking about. Jesse somehow knew that they were brown recluse eggs. He said he remembered from school, and I looked them up, and sure enough, brown recluse. Yeah, they look like spiky. I knew they looked a little weird. So in the Civic, I had black widow eggs, and this thing has a brown recluse egg. So just my luck, but hopefully they're old.
Brown recluse sounds like such a hard ass name. Though.
Brown recluse. Ghostbusters.
You got spider problems? Not no more.
Oh yeah, wood eggs. Sheesh. Okay.
Out here, fucking spider busters, baby.
Our passenger side is in, and just wow, it looks so good. It just looks right, and we got all these shades of blue going on. Literally, the calipers painted blue. That's blue. I already showed that, but then the car is blue as well. So yeah, I'm about to do some changes for sure. Probably for sure paint this caliper and probably just paint this black or silver. But yeah, a lot of blue going on. But don't look at that. Look at the coil. Coil looks.
Look at the coil.
Yeah, it looks so good. I'm really happy. And we're just gonna, however they got sent, we're just gonna throw them in like that and see how the ride height is. We'll just adjust later, but just for now, we're just gonna get them in there and see how it looks. They'll for sure be a little lower, if anything. But yeah, we'll for sure probably end up adjusting them. Our fronts are good, wheels are on, so we're finally gonna drop it.
Good job.
Yeah, it does. The wheels sitting there already looks a lot lower. So let's see how it looks on the floor.
3, 2, 1. Damn, bro.
So yeah, I did drop it pretty good amount, couple, maybe like an inch and a half. We still have plenty of way to go lower. Just wanted to see, but that already looks way better. Yeah, kill that wheel gap. Yeah, by a good inch and a half. We could definitely go like another inch. But yeah, nice. And this side's a little lower because the tire is low.
Wait.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a tire.
So it could look like this. Just the tire's a little bit low. Alright guys, working on the trunk right now. I have to go in and remove all the lining in the trunk. You know how that goes. Right now we're struggling, taking out the spring. We even saw it beforehand. We're like, yep, that looks like fun. Jesse almost died on me right now. This fool is screaming in pain on the floor right now. I literally thought I was gonna have to take him to the hospital right now.
Oh my god, that was the worst.
Oh. So what had happened was we took out this bolt right here, but what happened was this part wasn't bending down with it, so it made it hard. As soon as the bolt went back in, this whole piece bend it down more, and we're able to take out the spring. So now we know for the other side, so this is gonna be dumb easy now.
Slide.
Yeah.
Slide.
Trial and error. It shouldn't be, but it's...
Never done one of these before, so
yeah,
we've all learned.
Well, now we know. We're being more knowledgeable about E36s now. Bro, why is this all painted blue? Oh my god.
It's painted blue in the rear too?
Yeah. That's good. Hey. So quick little comparison. These are obviously way bigger, and it comes with these like I forgot what they're called. What are they called?
The collars.
Yeah. So it comes with these adjustable collars, but we're probably not gonna put them on because they'll be lower. But if it rides like shit, then maybe we'll throw them back in, see how it feels. But it should be good. I mean, it's not that. Should be super low.
If you have this type of suspension, the bucket suspension, McPherson, whatever the fuck it's called,
Yeah.
this in the rear really, I mean, yes, it adjusts your height, but if you want to go lower,
Yeah.
just take it out. So yeah, keep the old one on there, make sure it's the right way. Yeah, it's this way. Put this bitch on the bottom. There you go, it's gonna be loose in there, but once the car's weight sets on top of it, it's not gonna go anywhere.
Wow. Oh yeah, what you see?
Ew.
Alright, so the new shock versus the old one. So much shorter, and it feels really good. I'm really impressed. It feels pretty heavy, so I feel like it'll ride good, and it looks good.
She looks so sleek.
Yeah, way better.
With the adjustable dampening too.
Yep, and we got dampening in the rear too. So that's how it's sitting. It looks like the rear is gonna be pretty low.
I think it will be.
Yeah. So we'll see. Yeah.
Yeah, like, so when the car sits, that's pretty much how the spring will be. It's not going anywhere.
Sheesh. Yeah, so I believe the rears are 7K and the fronts are 8, so they're not super stiff, but it should be well enough for this car. We'll see. I feel like it'll ride good.
I think it will ride a lot better than how it used to, for sure.
Yeah, for sure. 200K suspension parts. Well, yeah.
Yeah. Never been replaced before.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to for sure change out those tie rods in the front. Boots were non-existent. They left the chat.
Yep.
Alright, so this side is dropped already. We just put back the interior. I just gotta time back the CD player. But this side is done now. It already looks like it's gonna be pretty low. Let's see. Oh yeah.
Damn. Static.
Bro, let's go. Yeah, so we're definitely gonna have to match the front. That looks good.
Definitely gonna need an alignment though.
Yeah, I'm gonna need an alignment.
Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Yeah, I would have driven it.
Yeah, okay. I did want to drive it, but it's all good. It's just gonna be sitting here looking pretty. But yes sir. Hell yeah. Thanks, buddy.
Got you, bro. Hell yeah.
Damn, this is how we're looking so far. Still gotta finish everything up. But once the trunk and the hood is down and everything is cleaned up, we'll see how it looks. But you guys get the idea right now. Yeah, so for sure, probably go like another inch in the front. Match the rears. Man, this thing looks so good. It's really come along. Got the bumper, it's on coils. A lot more minor things, but man.
How long ago did you get this?
It's been like a month, like literally a little bit over a month, like a few days over a month.
That's crazy. You already got it slammed. You put fucking a hood, headlights, fucking bumper.
Yep, this thing was crashed, but it's coming along. Cannot wait to be detailing this soon. Oh yeah, I'm super happy. New clothes look good. They're on. About to close the hood, and we'll see how this thing really looks. Alright, so this is how it's gonna be for the next couple days. So next week until we adjust it, maybe lower it some more. I'm gonna be gone until Sunday. Tomorrow I'm gonna be leaving just for a couple days. I'm really happy. For sure, just some dialing, get some wheels next. But as is, it really looks good. Shout out to my boy for helping me. Yes sir, got it done in a pretty good time for being our first time doing coils on the E36. There you bro, chill.
Sorry.
No, I don't give a fuck. Yeah, we're definitely gonna paint match this too. We're done working for today, but for sure, little things. I got the door hinge, I got the door handle. Fender's gonna be coming soon. So finally gonna get this side looking pretty. And then yeah, we'll probably paint match the front end just for now. Yeah, until we do a full paint job on this. But for now, the paint job, the paint match will for sure look good. But alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. If you guys did, make sure you drop a thumbs up on today's video and subscribe if you guys are new. Bunch of content's on the way. Beamer's looking good. So yeah, bunch more vlogs on the way. Thank you guys for tuning in. See you guys in the next one. Later.